Microsoft has just released a new cumulative update for Windows 11 25H2, but not everything is going as expected. Shortly after its release, reports began to surface that the update could cause performance and stability issues on certain PCs. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Windows 11 25H2 build 26000.8875 KB5101650, explain which devices may be affected, discuss the known issues acknowledged by Microsoft, and help you decide whether you should install the update now or wait for a fix. If you enjoy staying up to date with the latest Windows news, updates, and troubleshooting guides, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future uploads. When Microsoft first released the latest Windows 11 25H2 update, everything appeared to be running smoothly. There were no major issues reported, and the official release notes didn't mention any known problems. However, that situation has changed. Microsoft has now updated its documentation with a new compatibility warning, confirming that the update has been temporarily blocked on certain devices using Intel Innovation Platform Framework, Intel IPF, drivers. The company identified an incompatibility affecting a limited number of systems and is currently working on a fix before making the update available to those devices again. According to Microsoft, the update has been placed on a temporary compatibility hold for a limited number of Dell devices. The issue is caused by an incompatibility between the latest Windows update and certain Intel components. On affected systems, users may experience reduced performance, higher power consumption, unexpected system behavior, or other stability issues. Microsoft is actively working with its partners to resolve the problem and plans to lift the compatibility hold once a fix is ready in the coming days. Microsoft has also published additional details about this issue on its official Learn website. According to the company, a limited number of Dell devices with specific Intel Innovation Platform Framework, Intel IPF, drivers may experience performance issues after installing the Windows Preview update that was released on June 23, 2026. This suggests that the compatibility problem first appeared in the earlier preview build and has continued into the latest release. On affected systems, you may notice a yellow warning icon in Device Manager next to the Intel Innovation Platform Framework Processor Participant Driver. In addition to reduced system performance, some users have reported higher than normal CPU temperatures and other stability-related issues, making this an issue worth paying attention to if you're using an affected Dell device. Microsoft says the root cause of the issue is an incompatibility between certain Intel drivers and the new Windows USB Connection Manager interface that was introduced with the June 23, 2026 preview update. To prevent additional users from being affected, Microsoft has applied a compatibility safeguard hold on impacted devices. This means the latest July 14th security update for both Windows 11 25H2 and Windows 11 24H2 will not be offered to those systems until the issue has been resolved. Microsoft is currently working with both Dell and Intel to develop a fix and expects to restore the update for affected devices once the compatibility problem has been addressed. At the moment, the issue affects certain Dell devices running Windows 11 25H2 and Windows 11 24H2 that use specific Intel Innovation Platform Framework, Intel IPF, drivers. On these systems, users may experience slower performance, increased power consumption, higher CPU temperatures, or other unexpected stability and reliability issues. If you're using a Dell PC and you're unsure whether your device is affected, it's best to wait before installing the latest update. You can also check Device Manager for a yellow warning icon next to the Intel Innovation Platform Framework Processor Participant Driver, which may indicate that your system is impacted. For now, the safest approach is to wait until Microsoft officially releases a fix and removes the compatibility safeguard. Once that happens, the update should become available again through Windows Update, allowing you to install it without these known compatibility issues. While it's unfortunate to see hardware-specific problems appear after a Windows update, Microsoft has confirmed that it's working closely with Dell and Intel to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. Since this compatibility problem has existed since the June 23 preview release, it's encouraging to see that Microsoft has now acknowledged it and is actively developing a solution. We'll keep you updated as soon as Microsoft releases the fix or shares any new information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Windows 11 updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.